welcome back to the channel. Brought you guys here to Lake Isabella to do the opening of the mystery tackle box. Alright, got this box at Dick's. See here, it's about 16 to 22 items, value of $140. I got this box for $99. It's box number 506. Alright, well, let's go ahead and open this box up. Whoa, nice. Alright, this is pretty cool. What is this? This is just, oh, okay, cool. Tells you more about how to use the items. Cool, nice. Okay, we got some stickers. Pretty cool. Alright. Some mirror image shad. 3 inches. Pretty cool. Okay. We got some flutter wings. Tickle tail. Alright. Okay, grass herd. Alright, got this in here. Sorry guys if I'm shaking, it's freaking cold here. Okay, another buzzing baby bull shad. Alright. Alright, that's for me to download. Okay. Jade. Headbanger. Okay. Okay, this is pretty cool. Look at the color on that. Oh yeah. Spot on twin turbo. The color on that. Nice. This one looks interesting. Okay, a V-Rod. Alright, double hook. Okay, let's see that in here. Okay, revolver. Nice. Throw them while you're dropping them. Yeah, they're falling. I'll grab them right now. And some baits here. Then lastly we have what is this? Okay, a little poster here on different levels of the water, what to use depending on the level of water, kind of fishing you're doing. Alright, this is pretty cool guys. If you're really interested in getting one, you guys know box number 506. This is what it comes with. Maybe I'll do another box next month. So we're gonna try to do some fishing now here at Lake Isabella. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next box.